Guys, in today's video, we'll be discussing about the while loop. Now, suppose you're having a block of code which you want to run till a certain condition is being met. Right? That is when you will use the while loop. You are having some lines of code which you want to run till a certain condition is being met. That condition can be anything which will evaluate to either true or false. Right? Till the condition is true, that block of code will keep on running. Okay? Once the condition becomes false, then the loop stops. Okay? And here you do not know how many times the loop is going to run. Okay? In for loop, it was running a fixed number of times, which we were knowing. Okay? Here we do not know how many times it's gonna run. We just know it will run till that condition is met. Okay? Let us see an example. So here I'm having a simple password guessing game where you have to send a password and ask the user to guess it. Now we keep asking the user until he, she enters the correct password. Okay? So you create a variable password where you set the password, say XYZ, and then you're going to guess the password. So a guess. Now the syntax is while, and then you give the condition, okay, which will evaluate to either true or false. Any condition. Now here the condition is till the guess is not equal to password. Till then we are going to ask the user to enter the password. So we write guess not equal to password, and then a colon, and now the block of code is defined by the indentation. Now you will ask for the password to the user. Guess equal to input. Guess the password, right? And finally, now when this loop is done, then you will write print. You have guessed the correct password. So I will write here, see, I'm entering the wrong password and it's asking for it again and again. It won't stop. The number of iterations is indefinite, okay, as written here. It will keep on running. It is not going to stop today. And I will also not give the correct password. See, it is not stopping. Let me stop it now. AMC, okay. AMC, no, XYZ, okay. XYZ. You have guessed the correct password. Sorry, guessed. Okay. When finally this condition became false, then this loop was stopped and it came out of the loop, and the normal flow of control says to print you have guessed the correct password, right? So first what happens, I enter some random stuff, and that random stuff is not equal to password, so this code runs. Again, the same thing happens. It keeps on happening till I enter the correct password, that is XYZ. When I enter that password, this condition becomes false. When this condition becomes false, this code is not run, the loop is exited, and this line is executed. And you have guessed the correct password. Simple. Okay, just remember the syntax, which is while condition. Okay, whatever programs we have made of for loop till now, you can make them using the while loop also. And that is only what the exercise is. Okay, I'm first of all making the multiplication table of using while loop. Okay, and then you will make all other programs. You can also make the star pattern, right? So I take x equal to 1 while x is less than 11. Print 2 into x equals 2 into x. Okay, let us see what comes. Okay. Now you see this code is not stopping. It keeps on running. Why? Because if you see x equals to 1, then while x less than 11. Now, inside this block of code, nowhere I'm increasing the value of x. So x remains 1 only. And 1 is less than 11. So it will keep on running forever and forever. And now I need to manually stop it. Now it's stopped. So what I will do, I will write here x equal to x plus 1. Simply put x equal to 1 plus equal to 1. And here I get the table. Okay. This condition, previously I forgot to do this operation. And what happened? An infinite loop happened. Infinite loop. Because it won't stop. Because this condition was true forever. X was equal to 1 and nowhere the value of x was increasing. So the loop will continue to run. But now I've given here x plus equal to 1. So in the first iteration, x was equal to 1. Then this line was printed 2 into 1 equal to 2. Then x took the value 2. Then this line was printed. Similarly, x equal to 3. Then x became 10 at some point in the 10th iteration. And in the 9th iteration, this would happen. And this will become in the first iteration. This will happen in the 9th iteration. When the 10th iteration happens, x becomes 11. And then x is not less than 11. This condition becomes false and it exits the loop. Okay. If you want to make an infinite loop, just remove this line x plus equal to 1. Okay. And now try to make all the multiplication tables like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 using nested while loop. Okay. It is just like for loop only. You give a while loop inside a while. That's it. Try to make the patterns. It's very simple. Okay. Next video, I will come with some more exercises for you. Till then, thank you. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button and hit the bell icon.